Love Oladele, your friend. So basically, I'll be sharing with us how to check your earnings. What have you earned? How much have you earned in this business? This is how to check your earnings. You go to my earnings, and it's there for you to see. You see how much you've earned. So this is my account. Um, this money you're seeing on the 27th of April. I asked to be moved to my credit wallet, so the money was moved to my credit wallet. If you see anyone where you see this page, these ones, it means that they were paid to my external wallet. Okay, I'm using BitPay in this platform. But when you see the one that is not like this, it means I asked to be moving the one that is zero here, and let me use my. So I have zero here, but I have money here. So it means that I have to be moved to my credit wallet. So because I want to have some money internally, that's what that means. So that is where you see what you have earned so far. Then we are paid weekly here, but monthly is where we get Matrix bonus. Matrix bonus is where those who cannot refer, you can only earn Matrix bonus, which is monthly, and that is if people fall in your matrix. If people fall in your matrix, so everyone who is in your matrix. So last month, this is what I earned. The next money will be this Thursday, because we are now, today is 1st of May 2023, and every first Thursday of the month is when we are paid. The next money will be this Thursday. If you want to enjoy LiveGood, you have to learn the skill of referring. If you don't know how to refer, I've been doing a lot of training on my YouTube channel, Love Oladele TV. I've committed it. I used to do a lot of things, but for the next 3 months, I've committed it to network marketing growth. So if you have not subscribed on my channel, Love Oladele TV, you better do that now so that you learn how to grow your business, your network marketing growth. You don't want to make only $2,000 every month when you can make $16,000 every month. This business is just 3 months old. We are working it. We are going there. If you are in this business in the next 2 years, in the next 3 years, and you're working it, this business is a product company, and by the grace of God, they'll be there for the next 10 years, 20 years. Guys, you can make $100,000, $200,000, $1 million in this business every month, and that's what we are digging. So that's how you see your money. So I'll be doing another video to show you how I move money to credit wallet, and how you can move your money to, out you can transfer your money outside to your external wallet. Okay, so that's basically how you view your earnings and understand your earnings. Those who cannot refer, you can pay for 1 year and wait. There's no rush. Nobody's promised you that you have to see it next week or next month. That cannot happen here. If you cannot refer, you have to be patient with the system. So guys, see you in the next video.